Hey y'all, I don't know why I'm filming this little part, but I'm at a hotel. I just woke up to get some breakfast. I'm about to get some breakfast. Am I the only one that has a crazy obsession with hotel breakfast? It's just so good. Like, biscuits and gravy, eggs and sausage, bread items, fruit, grapes, grits, milk. This is cute. I mean, something about breakfast, hotel breakfast just does something. Okay, let me make a plate because I'm hungry. Yeah, I always take like these. I love these little Nutella things. I be putting them in my purse. Don't judge me, I'm sorry. I be taking like 4. Like I said, I just need some butter and some sugar. Not too much. Because I do want some grits. Okay, y'all. I just came to a realization. It's not grits. This is actually the gravy. So I'm like kind of sad, but I'm kind of happy that I found the damn gravy, y'all. So, and I found the to-go box. So let me go ahead and get a little box together. Dang, I low-key want it to be grits. I really got the butter and the sugar together and shit. It's okay. You know you always gotta stir it up a little bit just to get it, get the juices flowing. Make sure it's. Oh, oh my gosh. I'm not touching that no more. I'm gonna let it fall on somebody else. Fuck that. Fuck that. Y'all, I'm picking up my package from the Amazon hub. We'll open it in the car when I get inside. And then I just close it back. I look a hot fucking mess. I'm so sorry. But let me show y'all what I got really quick. I actually have another package coming in. It just has not made it yet. But it is getting delivered to this specific, what is she called? This specific Amazon hub. I did get a Ring doorbell. So the main thing that I got, I wonder if y'all can hear that when I say yummy, but the main thing I got was a anti-theft doorbell bracket for my Ring doorbell. I'm so excited. It looks easy to do, easy to install, and it tells you all the Ring doorbells that can fit. So yeah, I'm just waiting on my little Ring doorbell to come. So what I want to accomplish with this cleanup is getting rid of the majority of these sauces down here, because majority of them are old or probably disgusting or whatever, and I've just been too lazy to even get rid of them. I'm gonna get rid of a lot of stuff back here, things that I don't need, dips that I have not used, things like that, old items. I'm gonna clean that down there. One time I was drunk, I spilled something and I cleaned up as much as I can. Just didn't finish the rest, and that's so lazy of me. We in gymnastics. Let me stop. Ooh, y'all couldn't do that. And we're gonna start on this monstrosity of the inside. I'm gonna start from bottom to top, or actually I might actually just take everything out, clean, and then do just how I did this. Take everything out, clean, and then blase. Yeah, like it's not even soda, sparkling water, flavoring water. My dad used to drink these all the time. And then we're just gonna show y'all the after. So here's the before. I did good, y'all. Okay, so y'all know how I was telling y'all my other package did not, like, I was waiting on it. Well, it finally came, so let me put my code in. Oh shit, I almost fell. Yes, there's actually 2 things in here, so let's go unbox it. So the first thing I have are medical, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I just feel like we might go through another lockdown, and I just want to be prepared for this time in case we do. So I just got some masks. They're pink. I love pink, so you know I had to get on to the pink masks. Now they're not the ones that come in the box, but it came with 100. I wanted more quantity. So yeah, dang, can't even get it out, but y'all can see. Y'all can tell those are masks. Well, then y'all know I'm getting back into my nails, so I got a Kolinsky brush. I think it's the size 8 Kolinsky. Let me look at it really quick. I'm actually about to do a quick unboxing. There's this dude next to me like, baby, can you go? Are you watching me do this video? This ain't OnlyFans now. Okay. Dang! Oh my god, this is not opening. Oh, came with 2 files. I needed some more files. Let me see. Are they gritty? Because I like gritty files. We're just gonna take everything out. I think these are 80, 100. It might be 80, 100, or 100, 180. I don't know. But yeah, these are some gritty files. I love a good gritty file. I really don't like my using an e-file. I mean, I'll use it to smooth out shit, but like as far as molding and shit with the fucking thing. Oh, it's a size 10. This doesn't look like a size 10 though, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'd say more of like a size 8 or even a size 6, but I need something smaller anyway, so I'm really not tripping. That was like, I think it was like $8 maybe. I know Kolinsky brushes aren't cheap, and I know I should put my money into it, but child, I'm just practicing on myself right now. But yeah, so I just wanted to show y'all really quick. Sir, are you like, can you like go?